Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, we are gonna talk about some short and long attractive English sentences that you can use to improve your spoken English. I hope you can speak English fluently. So, guys, without wasting your time, let's get started. Guys, first of all, मैं जोखिम उठाने के लिए तैयार हूँ. You can say I am willing to take risk. I am willing to take risk. उसे चाय बनाने को कहो. Tell her to prepare tea. Tell her to prepare tea. इधर उधर मत भागो. You can say don't horsing around. Don't horsing around. मैं कोई वादा नहीं कर सकता. You can say I can't commit. I can't commit. लड़का हाथ से निकल गया है. You can say in English the boy has gone out of hands. लड़का हाथ से निकल गया है. उसके नखरे तो देखो. You can say in English look at her tantrums. Look at her tantrums. वो जैसा है वैसा रहने दो. You can say let it remain as it is. Let it remain as it is. उसे फ़ोन करना मत भूलना. Don't forget to call him. Don't forget to call him. किसी का जूठा मत खाओ. Don't eat the leftover of others. किसी का जूठा मत खाओ. वो सतर्क हो गया है. You can say in English He has got alert. He has got alert. चलो यहाँ से निकलते हैं. You can say let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. उसकी जुबान कैंची की तरह चलती है. She has a bitter tongue. She has a bitter tongue. अपनी नज़रें नीचे रखो. You can say keep your eyes down. Keep your eyes down. अपनी नज़रें नीचे रखो. सब कुछ बताने के लिए नहीं होता. You can say everything is not for telling. Everything is not for telling. अब कोई रास्ता नहीं बचा है. You can say there is no way left now. There is no way left now. ऐसी बात मत बोलो. You can say don't say such a thing. Don't say such a thing. मेरा वहाँ जाने का मन नहीं करता. I don't feel like going there. I don't feel like going there. तुम नहीं सुधरोगे. You can say you will not change. You will not change. तुम नहीं सुधरोगे. उसने मेरी बात को उल्टा समझ लिया. You can say he took me otherwise. He took me otherwise. उसके पेट में कोई बात नहीं रहती. She is unable to keep a secret. She is unable to keep a secret. आपने मेरे मन की बात कह दी. You can say you spoke out of my mind. You spoke out of my mind. मेरा मोबाइल ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है. My mobile is not working properly. मेरा मोबाइल ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है. वह संकीर्ण सोच वाला व्यक्ति है. He is a narrow-minded person. He is a narrow-minded person. तुम बहुत जिद्दी हो गए हो. You can say you have become very obstinate. You have become very obstinate. हमें किस समय मिलना चाहिए. What time should we meet? What time should we meet? इतने भोले मत बनो. You can say don't be so naive. Don't be so naive. जले पर नमक मत छिड़को. You can say don't add insult to injury. Don't add insult to injury. जले पर नमक मत छिड़को. समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है. You can say a word to wise is enough. समझदार को इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है. मेरी घड़ी कहाँ रखी है. You can say where is my watch kept. Where is my watch kept. तुमसे मिलने कोई आया है. You can say someone has come to see you. Someone has come to see you. वह कुछ कहने की स्थिति में नहीं है. You can say he is not in position to say anything. He is not in position to say anything. दूसरों की बुराई मत करो. You can say don't speak ill of others. Don't speak ill of others. मुझे जानने का हक है. You can say in English I have the right to know. I have the right to know. मुझे जानने का हक है. मैं आपका काम करने ही वाला हूँ. I am about to do your work. I am about to do your work. पहले उसे बोलने दो. You can say लेट हिम स्पीक फर्स्ट, लेट हिम स्पीक फर्स्ट, पहले उसे बोलने दो। इस परेशानी का हल निकालो, यू कैन से फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम।